And if you stay to the very end, I'll go through a list of trigger numbers outside the 10. Fair enough? Let's get going. Thank you for being here, and I'm excited. I got a class next couple days, another one-on-one. And hello, Betsy, and hello, John Toole. Just give y'all a shout out. Spent 2 days with John and Betsy last 2 days, and they'll be there tomorrow at the futures class. So we're ready to rock and roll. So let's get going. Folks, join my free Telegram channel in the morning. I'll post the pivot numbers there, which is what we use to decide whether the market's going up or down. I will join my YouTube channel. This Friday, you'll be getting a special invitation if you join my YouTube channel to watch me trade the unemployment report, big news on Friday. That sounds like a good deal, doesn't it? Totally free. Just get in there. A lot of training in that YouTube channel, and take a little time and sort your way around. I got some good stuff inside there. So pretty excited about it. Now, I convinced Adam, if you stay, I'm going to talk a little bit about MTI when I finish all the numbers, because MTI is really helpful this time of year. And that's a market timing indicator I created over an Easter weekend with my good friend Tom, and we got it going, and it's a pretty good little indicator to help you out. So we'll be talking about that. So, folks, risk involved in trading, past performance not indicative of future results. In my opinion, the market is in its third day tomorrow. Guess what? The third day will give us the short-term trend, but in January, there's a caveat. Listen to the caveat. The first 5-day range, when you break it above it, you go higher in January over 80% of the time. How would you like to have that in your court? Now, if you break below it, it's about 70% of the time it goes down. So that's a real key 2 days. That happens at the end of Wednesday. Okay? So, but we got an early look. We call it the early bird special, comes tomorrow at the close with the 3-day range. Any questions about what I'm talking about when I talk about range? This is range for any ticker that you follow. And that's the beautiful thing about what we put together here. The first 3 days, then the 5 days here in January. Any questions about that before I go further? No, it doesn't matter, Mike, because we already had 2 days. We had Monday and Tuesday trade days. It's trade days. The first 3 trade days, the first 5 trade days. Has nothing to do with the holiday, has nothing to do with anything else. It's an edge, okay? It's an edge. That's for every ticker out there. Every ticker out there follows that pattern in January. That's quite an insight, I know, but I've been doing this 40 years. I'm giving it to you tonight. Pay attention. It's going to be a great January. Now, here's my schedule. I got a futures class, no event scheduled tomorrow. I got a futures class. I will do connect the dots on Tuesday. That'll be live. Wednesday night, I have my midweek market update. Remember, Thursday is a federal holiday. They're shutting down the government for President Carter. Okay? And then Friday, we have our 3 o'clock wrap up. William asked us, which one's more important, the 3-day or the 5 days? They're both important, William. If they're in sync with each other, you got a double bang of success right there, okay? Meaning we break above the 3-day high, break above the 5-day high, you're going to have a great January, okay? Now, National Day of Mourning on Thursday. The cash markets close. The futures close at 8:30 Eastern time. That morning, reopen at 5. Bonds close at 12:15 Eastern time. Crude and gold trade normal trading hours. Okay? That's on Thursday. Seven Sisters. All right, here's how we look so far. Year to date, E-minis off to a half a point up move. NASDAQ's up to 1%. Dow is meandering around noise. Europe's up about a half a percent. Gold is up 0.41%. Crude's up 3. Bonds have been devastated as the year has started. And keep your eye on bonds. Very important, keep your eye on bonds. They'll tell you a lot about what's happening. News this week. The only news I'm really focusing on is Friday's unemployment report. And I think that you just got to be, you got to look at that and take advantage of it. Okay, that's what we're going to do. You got other economic reports, but I think the news on Friday will be something we've got to focus on to see exactly where this economy is. Everybody understand that? It's a general view of the economy and employment on Friday. Probability. Thursday's been pulled off the thing, but look at Friday, 66%. We could come in here after Wednesday on a setup day and come back Friday and rock and roll. Okay? Everybody understand that? The good news is we'll have our numbers at the close of business Wednesday. Now, has everybody, all our students, been getting the spreadsheet Jonathan and I have been putting together for you with tickers that we're following? Has everybody been getting the spreadsheet with the tickers? All our students are entitled to that, and you can go probably to the student portal and get it. Here's my 10 tickers. Here's my 10 tickers. Tesla above 337, bullish. Now this is a stock that we bought on Friday at $8.80. If it goes above 10.55, I'll probably buy more. Who bought this on Friday with me when I put that trade out on Friday? You're up about $1.50 on an $8 stock. Not bad, huh? Are you smiling? You got to be smiling on that one, I would think. Yeah, Tesla has to go above 437. Instead of 337, it's 437. Okay? 437. That's the rest of them. Bitto goes above 1011. Probably test about 12 next week if you can get above 1011. I've got the TQQ up there. If it goes above 8211, we'll obviously be looking close for that one, okay? That's the TQQ. QQQ's got to go above. I got 222. It's actually 522. 522.55. My writing's pretty bad, so I don't hold Adam responsible. 522. There you go. Thank you. All right, any questions about what I just showed you? Let's talk about how to find trades that will pay you in the month of January and thereafter. It's called MTI. Massive moves occur with what I created right here. We did 3 stocks on Friday. One was MSTU. I just talked about that one. We did Tesla and NVIDIA. Nice trades all around the horn. There'll be more setting up this week. I've got a list of some numbers I'll give you at the end of this with some trigger numbers for different tickers, okay? Sound fun? Let's do it. Now, the performance shown is not typical. We make no future earnings claims, and you may lose money. That's the way it is in trading. All trades are from historical data and expressed to give you an edge in the market. If you want an edge in the market, get MTI. Now, in trading, we'll be losing. There's no black box miracle system prints out winning trades automatically. Whole purpose of my research and work with traders help give you folks an edge in the market. MTI gives you that edge. Now, if you don't know me, I'm Tom Busby. I think a lot of people know me, been around a while. This method shows you how to execute trades like professionals. If you're brand new to trading, wouldn't it be? Think about this. What if you could get on the right side or know when to get into a stock or when to get out of stock? You think that would help you to take the emotions out of it? I do. I know it would. Look what it did in 2024. Look at this, 24% in a month on NVIDIA. You saw it coming. LUNR came a moonshot, 140% gain on it. MSTR, now we're on MSTU. Pretty cool stuff there. Now, already identified here. Take a look at this. All straight for the best simple buy sell signals. It all starts with encoded URL that you put on your computer. You don't have to wait on me. It's right there on your computer. And it's designed to give you a level playing field when you trade. Nothing's like MTI. Nothing. It's quick and dirty and straightforward. And it's applied to your trading platform. You get real-time buy and sell signals on any ticker out there. You know whether to be long that stock, short that stock, or out of stock. I use it for portfolio management. Our model portfolio came in at 270+%. Not bad, huh? The market timing indicator. Let me show you how it works. This is the market timing indicator. Easy to read. See those white lines? Everybody tell me you can see those white lines. Yep. What's those white lines? Straightforward to use. All you have to do is wait for that green arrow or that red arrow to give you direction. There it is. Right there. Look how it went up and then topped out. Here's one that went down. Look at that, the red arrow. Down we went. Not that difficult to follow, is it? It's straightforward. Can't hide from it. And X is just as clear cut by breaking the white lines. You see the market timing indicator built in trailing stops. That way you never left guessing what you should do. Line on the green area is our trailing stop. There it is. When it crosses up into the green, the buyer prints on the screen, signals a new long opportunity. As long as the price stays in green, we stay long. Sometimes for days, sometimes for weeks. When it closes below the line, we get out. That's simple. Everybody here can follow this and be good. Look at L3 here. Wow. Told you how long to stay in it and when to exit. 227% gain on options. Same way when you get a short signal. Down we came, up we went. Line on the red area is our trailing stop. And as long as the price stays in the red area, we stay short, then it reversed, there it went. When it pops above the line, that signals our exit, and off we go. And that example, it could have led to 107% gain on that option. Pretty straightforward. Here it is on Microsoft. No ticker is left alone when you put it in MTI. There's the green arrow. What do you think happened? Guess. Resulted in 153% gain in that time frame, less than a month. Southern Copper, another green arrow. Here we go. To it, time to get out. Simple, 196% in 26 days. Folks, if you're in January without MTI, you're really playing with your hands tied behind your back, okay? Again, on Google, there it is, MTI. Here we go. Up we went. These are big gains using options. We'll teach you that through the master classes, which options to use. Simple, straightforward. That's why I'm excited with the changes we made. People are loving it. And guess what? Real time, not something after the fact. In the real market, you get these signals, buy and sell. You never left guessing what to do with any ticker. Here's what people say about it. Look what James said. Confirms when to get in, confirms when to get out. What else could you want as a trader? Easy to follow, it's very logical. Concrete data for a decision-making process and time. Now, there'll be some small wins and losses along the way. That's just part of trading. That's why you always hear me say you should never risk more than you can afford to lose. Now, what I've shown you so far is just beginning. Build alongside the market timing indicator. Here's a real value add that we did. It's the market timing opportunity scanner. MTOS. Boy, I've got it set over here. I'm looking at it right now. I can tell you right now that NVIDIA is moving higher, basically signaling tonight. You know, it's trading tonight. I don't know if y'all knew that. It's in a pilot program with TD Ameritrade. Provides with a confirmed buy. Got it? Meaning you never left blindly guessing which stock to trade. Open up your trading firm and don't even know what stock. That's what it looks like. Tells you right there. The big green tells you to be long. The big red tells you to be short on any ticker you want to put up against MTI. It populates the best stocks to target, when to buy them, and any day the market's open. Won't work on this Thursday, will it? Because we're closed. There it is, right there. Buy. Buy entry, green arrow. Opportunity scanner, prints the short. Down we go. Two simple things to cross-reference against each other to help you. All you have to do is click on the buy or short and take it from there. Pulls up the chart, lets you see it. On November 14th, showed Honeywell had a new buy signal. Buy entry, up we went with the arrow. There's where the stock went. Folks, it works. It's simple, it's straightforward. Everybody here can use this to have an edge when they buy or sell stocks. You can have a shot at some of these big gains if you know the options. We teach you that through 5 master classes. The opportunity scanner works the same way to the downside. Right there going down, Pepsi went down. There's the arrow, cross-reference, down we go. You know, you have a visual representation how long to stay. Beautiful. The market timing indicator had a chance to walk away with, in that case, 313% to the downside using put options. Every trade you do from now on will be followed the process. Check MTI. Should you buy? Should you sell? Or should you stay out? Gives you confirmed buy, you go with it. Or confirmed short, you go with it. And you can also do futures with it. That makes it pretty cool too. They're designed to level the playing field for you, and our students have a lot to say about it. They love it. Double-digit gain in an hour on that one. I think that was Friday. Or Sandra, who wrote, control. That take back control of the decision-making process and having a process, keeping the emotions out of the trade. Gotta love that. Lynn said it calms him down as he's making money. Like I mentioned before, my name's Tom Busby. I've been on a lot of different shows. I've been an active trader since the 70s, member of Chicago Mercantile Exchange, Vice President Smith Barney. Remember when they were around, when I was one of only 50 people selected to have a Globex terminal outside of Chicago back in the 90s as the Globex system, the forerunner to electronic trading. And I have 3 great books out there. Winning the Day Trading Game. The Markets Never Sleep, by the way, we're going to 24-hour stock trading. They're starting right now. And of course, Trade to Win. Very proud of what I've done in this business. And there's one lesson I learned that time, and I'll pass it on to you. Picking stocks on your own is a suicide mission. You've got to have a process. Emotions take over. Hard to beat the market over time unless you have a process. 92% of professionals try to use a lot of technical analysis, and that doesn't work, okay? People think it does, but it don't. Go do the studies. You've got to learn the tape, and that's what MTI is about. Easy to see. The brightest traders in the world dozen variables analyze all this stuff here. You can go check it out. In fact, you can go to, there's a site you go to, Bar Chart, and they'll tell you every one of these will lose you money if you try to put real money on it. It's crazy. Fundamentally, you can do it that way. Analysts, upgrade and downgrade, they're always behind the eight ball. List goes on and on. You get information overload. So if you're not doing well, let's change that tonight. Have a simple process to determine entry, exits, and pick those best trading opportunities through that scanner. Now, our programmer did a lot of work getting this right, but he also understood trading, which is real important. Believe me, cost some money to build it, but we did it. It's totally worth it. Real-time buy and sell signals that you can follow, simple and real time as the market's moving, regardless of everything else going on. Makes your life a lot easier. Take Tesla. Look at that. Started off strong, earned its place, and then error showed up. Down we went. All the fundamental news came out. People going, I thought it was a buy. Down we went. Early gains got people in, got intoxicated on the move, and down we went. Poor earnings, stock took no blow. Stepped down as the CEO of Twitter. Financial press was telling folks to hit the exit. They're always behind the eight ball. It entered its own bear market. But on May 25th, the opportunity scanner signified it's time to buy. Look at the price. And look at the price tonight. How good is that? This minute stock crossed in the green. There was a new long. Up we went. Took off. There we go. Exited when the market timing indicator signal could have seen. Huge gains. But if you stayed with the stock all this time, you got a 400% gain from the price it was at and where it is tonight. Similar story for Fifth Third Bank. Early March last year, executive chairman announced his retirement. Same time, news broke a major acquisition. Stock dropped more than 10% over the next few days. Bombshell that shook the entire financial, the collapse of Silicon Valley. You remember that one? Caused the Third Bank stock to fall off a cliff. In a matter of days, the stock lost 30% of its value. Next few months offered little hope of recovery. Back-to-back earning misses that kept the stock down. Stock fell even more on positive earnings. The bank went sideways for months. Make matters worse, in early November, they were fined $8 million by the SEC. A little injury there. Folks would have avoided this stock like a plague for good reason. But on November 14th, out of nowhere, our indicator said buy. What happened? Crossed in the green. There was a new long buy entry. There we go. Just as expected, the stock soared. If you had the market timing indicator on your side, you had real-time analysis. You got your own research department with this thing. The way I look at it, 442% in a few weeks. Here it is on NVIDIA. Back half the year is range bound, trading sideways for months. New highs fall back to previous lows. On January 5th, the market timing indicator sent a new buy. Off we went. There we went. Look at it. Up we go like a rocket ship. Following along the market timing indicator. You'd have known how to stay in there in that 46 days. Market timing indicator could be a total game changer in the way you look at the market. A lot of students love it. Deborah said, she said nothing but winners following the process. She went through 5 master classes I put together. Oh, Jim B, like Nike. Look at that. Netflix. Swing trade opportunities. You got those with it. Not only short term good. It's capable of doing so much more if you learn the 5 master classes. I wrote the book on day trading. You know that. I built the market timing indicator work for day trading too. When you open it up on your trading platform, you see 2 major charts. On the left-hand side, you got a long-term chart. On the right-hand side, you got a short-term chart. Daily charts on the left, the hourly charts on the right. That's the way it looks. Now, the market timing works the same way on the hourly chart it does on the day. I kept it simple. Same buy signals. No matter what time frame you want to use. You drill down any time frame you want. You go even to 1 minute if you want to trade that way. Automatically adjust the time frame you choose. It's user identified. Wait for those green arrows and go with the signal. Man, oh man, I can't wait till tomorrow. Let's do it. When the price closes below the line, that's our exit. Not bad for a day trade, 53%. Same way to the downside. There it is. Drop below the white lines. Goes above the line, that's our exit. Not bad, 60%, that's 110% if you add the two together. Here it again on Netflix. Look at this. There's the green arrow. Up we went. You can lay this over any ticker you want to lay it. That's what the beauty of it is. Okay? Now, my favorite time period is the hour. I like the hour. 77% in 2 hours. See it again on Motorola. There's the green arrow. There it goes. Off we go. 95% in less than 3 hours. You get that volume in there, and it will stay above those lines for days. And again on NVIDIA. What a stock. Up we went. 2 hours in that time frame. Not a bad trade, huh? We'll show you which options to select and how to do options in the master classes. Now, if you're a swing trader, it's even better. You get bigger gains. Do a little bit of both. Help you in time your entries and exits the biggest thing about trading is get off to the right start. This gets you off to the right start. The actual key data on any stock in real-time buy and sell signals. Just what some of our top students have said. Works on all time frames. Bruce used it in a 5-minute, made $375. Bet he's trading the TQQ on that one. Constantly making money when using the market timing indicator. Jerry says can't trade without it. Have the same experience they had tonight because I asked Adam to keep that special going that we've been offering. Market timing indicator. Add it to your platform. If you don't be a computer whiz to do it, all you have to do is copy the link in your Thinkorswim, and within 60 seconds, you're using the market timing indicator. Pretty easy, isn't it? Step-by-step download. There it is. In the video download, you see exactly what to do. Once you're done, you get start right away. Up arrow, Pepsi, green arrow, long arrow, Pepsi. Again, sword. We played it down, we played it up. We don't care which direction it goes. Got it working for you. 126% in a few weeks, or the down arrow for the short entry. Like what happened on Walgreens. Look at that, Walgreens, red arrow, short, down we go. That's not a surprise. Anyone who followed along with the market timing indicator could have seen a tremendous gain. 211% in 35 days. Now remember, market timing indicator works the same way for day trading. Take Microsoft on May 14th. Green arrow print 115, long entry, up we went. Use that indicator, be on the right side of history, 75% in less than 4 hours. Occidental Petroleum trades oil stocks this way. Okay? This is what you do. Printed the red arrow, red means down, down we went. That's simple. With the market timing indicator, walked away with 182% is another good day trade. Folks, market timing indicator sets a real-time course of action for you to follow each trade, helping you time your entries and exits every step of the way. When you put The long term and short term together, you got a power pack big shotgun there, a double barrel. That's why when you pick up the market timing indicator, we'll include the opportunity scanner, which analyzes the entire market. There it is. Left blindly guessing what stock's the target, end up trying to force trade due to lack of viable candidates. Look what happened on December the 8th. Universal Health had a new buy signal. Clicking on the buy, pulls up the chart, and there's the error. Sure enough, the stock took off like a rocket. Market timing anywhere could have seen an impressive 151%. Guys, this is on options, man. You want to trade options? Here's how you do it. Take the master class. Do it. BlackRock. There it is. Opportunity scanner shows up. Early. Green arrow. Early. On a tear for days. 310% in 2 months ain't bad. Opportunity scanner. Buying short opportunities every day it sets up. Right there. Now, the price started out at $3,995. We cut it down, make it better for folks. Here's the workshops you get. Long-term trading, how to use it for long-term trading, short-term trading, swing trading. That's 3 types. But what about income trading? There you go. Helps you there. Got a master class on that. Then putting it all together where you can trade any time frame you want to trade in these 5 classes. Any asset with multiple strategies. You can trade Bitcoin with this thing. Plus, you get insights how each strategy is based on all the experience we have over time. The workshops, we're including them at no charge. You grab the market timing indicator tonight while I'm live, you get them for free. There they are. If you agree, retail price $39.95. There's the buys, certified buy and short candidates every day worth that much. Yes. I've traded. I know how important it is to get on the right side. So, shouldn't be any reason it should stop you tonight at the price we're about to announce. Right here, watching this webinar, you get a 50% discount. Instead of paying $19 or $39.95, you're down to $19.97, but I think he's going to give you the special. Not done. If you join right here, here it comes. You get a lifetime membership at no additional cost. No subscription fees, no recurring charges, no data fees, no annual renewals. No. Plus, to make your decision today even easier, you get automatic updates at no extra charge. Unlimited. One price for a lifetime. Market timing indicator on opportunity scanner. Don't pay any upgrade fees if you buy tonight. One more thing. 24% a month, saw it coming. I think you're going to see that in January. There's LUNR. There's MSTR. Best opportunities in 25 starts tomorrow. Now, here's that New Year's deal that he brought. 25% off, makes it $14.97. You assess it, unlimited forever. Let me be clear, it ends tonight at no exception. Finally, it's over, so here it is. Get your lifetime membership. Click the link in the chat. Go to dtitrader.com/225. Call 904-416-1776. And within minutes, you'll be using it. It takes about 4 or 5 minutes to download it. You check all your portfolio, all the stocks you think, and click the link, call the number, got any questions. A lot of people are very pleased with what's going on. David here thinks it's the best tool for everyone. I tend to agree because it's easy to use. Click the link in the chat to secure your lifetime membership, dtitrader.com/2025, or call 904-416-1776. $14.97 a night, lifetime. Let me answer some common questions. What trading pattern works on? The market timing indicator and opportunity scanner works on Thinkorswim, but you can open a free Thinkorswim trial account and get the indicator. It takes less than 60 seconds to copy and paste the download URL, and you're ready to go. How do you download it? We got a step-by-step guide, very simple to follow, very simple to do. Or both the timing indicator and opportunity scanner included. If you buy tonight, they are. No subscription fees, no recurring fees, no data fees, no annual renewals. Guaranteed a lifetime upgrade for watching the thing. Click the link in the chat to lock in the membership. Go to dtitrader.com/2025 904-416-1776. The first of which is long-term trading, short-term trading, swing trading, income trades, and then finally putting it all together in the workshops. Clear understanding on any asset with multiple assets. Click the link in the chat to claim these 5 workshops and secure your lifetime memory. If you prefer to talk to someone, call the number below. Or go to dtitrader.com/2025, grab it at this price. It ends tonight, they say. It ends tonight. It's the last time. This is the sire not. Lowest price would be sold all year. Which are some of the stocks MTI's potential breakout 25 right now? Take a look. Gold, potential breakout. NVIDIA, potential breakout. We made that trade tonight. It's going up, okay? Tesla, potential breakout. I gave you the number. MSTU, potential breakout, number 4. DJT, there it is, folks, laid out for you on a silver platter. Take it at this price, use it tomorrow, and be ready to trade this week with us. Any questions?
I don't have any questions, but I'll tell you this, T-Buzz, this is one of the best things known to man. I mean, outside the roadmap, inside of Think or Swim, I use this each and every day to find stocks. And it is one of the greatest things in the world because I think some stocks are doing really great. And when I throw them into the MTI and they tell me that it's not good, I have to go out and find more stocks. And it is absolutely awesome. And like I said, I use it every single day on all my trading. And it is the best thing in the world just because it tells you if things are in a downtrend or an uptrend, and if they're just neutral. And this time of year, it's one of the best things in the world because we just started the year out, and I want to see how things are going in the first 3 to 5 days. And I've been analyzing a lot of stocks, and some of them are very, very neutral right now, but they're all setting up for breakouts to the upside or breakouts to the downside. And that's one of the greatest things about it is you can figure out what's going to go on over the next 6, 8 months. And I really love this thing. So that's why I always watch MTI through DTI. And if you can set that up, especially the hourly chart is on the short-term side, but the daily one I watch all the time just because I want to see what stocks are trending up and what trending down. And if you think about what the Trump administration is going to do, this will be one of the best tools you can have in trying to figure out what's going to happen going forward. In that, just kind of watch what Tom showed you in those white lines and going up to the buy zone and down in the sell zone. You'll find out what sector is going to be doing really well going into the Trump administration. So I'm really excited about this. Tom has put this out at a great time at this point in time, because at the beginning of this year, it is the best time to start watching this because everything's starting to set up going into the next 2 to 3 months. And this is the best tool you can have going into that time period.
Well, Jeff, I think that it's very interesting that on Friday, we had 3 stocks that I think people said that MSTU, I've been following that for 2 months.
Yeah.
And finally, it went into a buy on MTI. I bought it. It closed at 10.20, something 10.15. And that was one of my top 10 tickers tonight going forward. The second stock, Tesla's been a killer here in December.
Right.
And went down to 373. but it got above the white lines on Friday. And so I was able to do Tesla. We got out before it didn't close for about, I think it was about a 25% gain, and a lot of these guys made it. But as we get further into the year, the third day is tomorrow and the 5 day is Wednesday.
Oh yeah.
MTI, you can put your portfolio against this thing and stay on the right side of history.
Well, and that's the greatest thing about it, Tom, is you can, and especially going into a brand new year, you can find
Right.
out what stocks you need to own and what stocks you don't need to own, and you can clear out of the stocks you don't want to own anymore and go into the stocks that need to be owned, and the year will perform a whole lot better. And you can watch those white lines to see exactly what you need to do. And the one thing that I'm watching right now is, and I've actually, you know me, I'm a futures guy, and I've been watching to see what all of the grains and the meats and all of the index futures are doing against MTI right now. And I've been very, very cautious going into the first 3 to 5 days. I don't want to trade anything right now because I want to see. I mean, if you think about the beginning of the year, it's like the first, 15 minutes of the market each and every day. We got to see what the traders are trying to think. And this will keep you on the right side every single time, because if you start breaking up, there it goes. If you start breaking down, there it goes. And this is one of the greatest tools to be able to gauge your year or your quarter, or if you're a day trader, just your day on everything that's going on right now, because we're in a big transition period between one administration and another administration and new economics. And I think it's one of the greatest tools to take us through the next year to see how everything starts to perform based off of all the laws and regulations and everything like that going forward through the not only the Congress and everything like that, but through all the other administrations going through here. I mean, this is a valuable tool to have right now just because of where we are in our current economics. I think it's one of the greatest things right now just to keep us on the right side of things.
Well, I tell you, trading is hard.
It
Don't make
is.
anybody tell you it's easy. But one of the things that a lot of traders have trouble with is they let their emotions get in there. When I built DTI, I was thinking how to keep all that to the side and just have the market tell us what to do. And this thing, it's the market telling us what to do by watching the tape. And
Yep.
I'm a tape reader. And this was a clear picture into my mind when I'm trading. And so I tell you folks, plug in your ticker. And if you're losing money, my guess is you're long something that's below those white lines. That'd be my guess.
Exactly.
You
And I
know,
mean, and you've taught me everything that I know. And when I saw this, I thought this was awesome because now it puts everything that you've taught me over the past 25 years into perspective, because now you can sit there and go, hey, if we're above these white lines, buy something. If we're below them, short something. And you even saw on the examples that we had here that I mean, it trends in those directions. And this is the
yeah,
greatest
especially if you
time.
get, especially if you get it over the white lines on the day chart and the white lines on the
Oh,
short chart.
yeah,
You got
absolutely.
something there you just grip on until it's time to get off the horse.
That's right.
Sometimes it lasts 40, 50, 60 days before it turns.
And what do you say? Squeeze the pickle, right?
That's right. You got to squeeze it. Absolutely.
So, but yeah, this is an awesome feature to have on your charts if you're wanting to see where something's going.
Yeah,
Then,
Israel, you can get that outside. When you go to the master classes, I got very detailed how to do the options with the different strategies. I think they're simple, straightforward. Got any questions, ask us after you watch the master class.
yep,
Be glad to
absolutely.
help.
And they're all inside of the one-click members area. Just go into the members area and you can find the one click on the MTI and you can go in
Not
there
yet,
and
Jeff.
find all that.
We go to MTI on the 15th of this month, so we're not just yet at MTI.
Oh, it's not in there yet? Okay.
OCT, one
Okay.
click. Yeah. So
I've been corrected.
but it's our normal members area, but one click will be doing the middle of the month.
Oh, okay. I thought they were already there. Sorry about that.
We're getting there.
Awesome.
All right, folks, time to get involved or keep doing what you've been doing.
Even Jim says it works wonderfully. So
Yeah, Mary Ann, you're fine with that question. I meant to answer. Yeah, I'm good with that. All right, folks. Everybody have a good evening. Thank you for coming. It's going to be a great week. Just pay attention.
and T-Buzz, I'll see you in the morning.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.
All
Bye.
righty.